What's going on, everybody? I'm back. So I haven't delivered in a long time, partially because of coronavirus, partially because I've been finishing up school. It is May 9th, and it's 11 a.m. I'm about to deliver with DoorDash. Like I said, I have not even delivered yet during this coronavirus pandemic, so it will be kind of interesting to see how that pans out. I just want to say thank you, everybody, for all the support. I've reached my first 100 subscribers. That was my first milestone. So I'm posting a giveaway to give back to you guys, the viewer. So in order to enter this giveaway, you must subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what your favorite video I've done has been so far. Pretty simple. I'm not looking for anything crazy, so you must be a subscriber, like this video, comment down below. It's not too hard. I wanted to post the winner once I reach 150 subscribers, but I'm going to do a little caveat. So either the winner will be announced once I reach 150 subscribers, or on June 15th, so a little over a month, just because I want to give back to people. I know it's a struggle right now, so what I'm going to be giving away is a $15 gift card, originally, so it's supposed to be like $1 for every 10 people, and it's going to be a digital gift card for Uber Eats, Postmates, or Grubhub. The winner will get to choose which one they like. So be sure to comment down below what your favorite video of mine has ever been. Smash that like button and hit subscribe. Good luck, everybody. I just got my first order. It's with Uber Eats, actually. I'm headed to Dairy Queen. I do know a few people asked me to start screenshotting the orders, and I actually forgot. It's just habit of hitting accept. But like I said, I'm heading to Dairy Queen. It's like a $7 order plus a chance of a tip. But at least the day has started. I didn't have to wait too long. It's only 11:11, so it took like 10 minutes. And I'm on my way. I'll keep you updated. So there weren't really instructions on how to do this pickup. So I went into the drive-thru. I told them who I was picking up for. And they had these cones set up in the parking lot with numbers on them. They said, okay, just pull into number 1, we'll have it right out. So it seems simple enough. I'm assuming I could have probably just called the store and said, hey, this is John, I'm here to pick up an order for, tell them the customer's name, type of thing. But now I'm just waiting for that food to be ready. Seems easy enough. Hopefully I could just drop this off at the person's door and leave. I don't have to actually stand and wait. That would be awesome. But we out here, we making money, and I'm so happy to be back. I just picked up a stacked order with Uber Eats for Buffalo Wild Wings. I told you it was going to be a DoorDash ride along, but Uber Eats is busy, so it might be changed. About to grab this food. Be sure to stay tuned. We out here making money. Uber Eats is non-stop today for this lunch shift. I mean, each drop off, like 2-3 minutes before I get there, I get an offer. So I'm getting to the original Pancake House now. It was only 4 minutes away from my last drop-off location. The pay did say it was kind of low for this one. It was only like $4.97 or something, which if I wasn't like right next to it, I wouldn't have taken. But it was nice that I was so close. So I'm pulling in now, and I'm assuming I could go inside, because they don't really have to go here. So I'm gonna run inside and grab that food real quick. Okay, so I'm just now getting to Firehouse Subs. After that last order, it slowed down. I had to wait for like 10-15 minutes to get an offer. I actually had all 4 delivery apps on, but I wasn't getting anything. And then after about 10-15 minutes, I finally got an offer for Firehouse subs through Uber Eats. So I am pulling in now. About to go grab this food. So I'm just now getting a Costa Vida for another Uber Eats order. I've tried getting back to DoorDash, but I just haven't been getting orders. It's kind of weird. I'm just now pulling into Panera Bread for another Uber Eats order. As you can see right here, Uber Eats is keeping me busy, which is awesome. Pay has been okay. With Uber Eats, it always comes down to the tipping, so we'll see what I get for tips. There's still a lot of time for that to happen. And we'll go from there. It looks like drive up, curbside, pickup, order online, call them and tell them I'm here. So I guess I'm about to call Panera. Pick up from some restaurant called H Hungry. No idea where this place is. I'm supposedly here, but I don't know. That's Three-Eyed Fish, Ace Dental, Furniture Company, Leadership something, Camp Kids. What is this down here? Are you H Hungry? Event Center. So I don't know where I'm supposed to grab this from. Let me try calling them real quick. So that last order actually was at Three-Eyed Fish, or whatever that restaurant's called, even though it was under H Hungry. I don't know, I've noticed actually there's quite a few Uber Eats restaurants in my area that have like multiple options.
Did you order for Robert?
Robert, yep.
Alright, perfect.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, have a nice day.
So anyways, I thought that was kind of weird, but at least I got the food taken care of. It was very simple. And I just picked up my order from Dairy Queen, another Uber Eats order. I'm about to go drop this off. It's 2:30 p.m., which typically for me is like a super slow time of day. Usually no one's ordering right now. So I don't know if it's because of the lockdown or what, but I'm staying busy. I'm making okay money. Especially for lunch, there's still a lot of options for people to tip. And hopefully, we could keep this up for another hour or two. So I just picked up an order from Costa Vida just a couple minutes ago. It's still staying pretty steady with Uber Eats. It's 3 p.m. and I haven't had to wait more than, 2 minutes after dropping off the order, except for that one earlier on where I turned all the other apps on too and still wasn't getting anything for about 10 minutes. But like I said, it's surprising how busy it is for this time of day. I'm probably gonna call it a quits relatively soon, but we'll see. I know I'm waiting on a 2 orders that my wife did, one at Office Depot and one at Michael's for some crafting stuff. So I'm just gonna stay out until those are ready. That way I could pick those up and then head home and not have to go back out. So as of right now, I'm just kind of playing the waiting game, making some money, staying busy. Got another back-to-back order. This time I'm at Cozumel Mexican restaurant. I picked up here once before. They were a little slow, so I'm hoping the food is ready. But I guess we'll see what happens. Man, look at this beautiful view out here. Look at those mountains. I don't know if this is going to do it justice, but... So I'm about to pick up a McDonald's order as my last order. It was a bit frustrating. I got an offer as I was trying to stop accepting deliveries when I was on my last order. Rejected it. It was like a $4 order. Right? And then right after I reject it, I get this McDonald's order. I'm like, shit. Like, I can't change it to stop accepting offers because it's so busy. Anyways, I was able to, so I decided to accept that order, and now I'm here. And then once I accepted it, I went ahead and once I accepted that order, I decided to go ahead and turn off accepting orders. So this is my last order of the day. I'm gonna go drop it off, go pick up those online orders that my wife did, and then I'll do an earnings update. That way there's a little bit of time for people to tip. I'll see you in a minute. All right, everybody. I just got home and I was out delivering for about 4.5 hours after you. Maybe 4 hours and 45 minutes, somewhere in that range. I did only Uber Eats because they were super busy, and the little bit of downtime I had, when I did try using other apps, it didn't go over too well. Got no offers. So I ended up making $116.73. Awesome day. It's like right around $26 an hour. Super busy. I'm glad to be back delivering again. I'll be back out here pretty soon. I hope everybody who's out watching is staying safe, staying healthy. I'll see you next time. Peace.